So I really have just one question for you. How many of Epstein's co-conspirators...
Jaksa Agung Amerika Serikat, Pam Bondi, terlibat bentrokan verbal yang luar biasa dengan politisi Demokrat Jerry Nadler dalam sidang Komite Yudisial DPR mengenai berkas-berkas Jeffrey Epstein di Washington DC pada hari Rabu. Ketegangan memuncak saat Nadler melontarkan pertanyaan retoris mengenai berapa banyak kaki tangan Epstein yang telah didakwa. Namun ia menghabiskan waktu bicaranya tanpa memberikan kesempatan kepada Bondi untuk menjawab. Nadler mengklaim bahwa jawabannya adalah 0. Saat mendapatkan giliran bicara, Bondi membalas dengan keras dan justru menuntut permintaan maaf dari Nadler serta anggota dewan lainnya kepada Presiden Donald Trump. Bondi menyinggung keterlibatan Nadler sebagai salah satu pemimpin dalam upaya pemakzulan, impeachment, presiden terdahulu, dengan menyatakan bahwa tuduhan konspirasi campur tangan asing dalam pemilu 2016 tidak terbukti berdasarkan temuan Robert Mueller. Bondi menegaskan bahwa seluruh pihak yang terlibat dalam sidang pemakzulan tersebut seharusnya meminta maaf kepada Presiden Trump atas tuduhan yang dinilainya tidak berdasar tersebut.
Not on our time, no way. And I told you about that, Attorney General, before you started.
You don't tell me.
Yeah, I did tell you because we saw what you did in the Senate.
Lawyer, not even a lawyer.
Committee will be in order.
Time and I should get back at least 45 seconds.
We will give you a few more seconds. I said that
Not a few more,
already.
45 seconds.
Okay, I'm timing right now, Mr. Nadler. Go
All
right
right.
My time. The answer to my question, how many of Epstein's co-conspirators has she indicted, is 0. You have been the Attorney General for a whole year, and your DOJ fired the lead prosecutor of this case, sat on evidence this entire time, and claimed falsely last July that there were no more leads. It took an act of Congress for you to finally release part of the Epstein files, and when you did, you included personal information about the victims while protecting the names of abusers.
Time of the gentleman
None of the
has
perpetrators have
expired.
been brought to justice, but enormous resources have
Time
been
of the
dedicated
gentleman
to
has
pursuing Trump's
expired,
enemies.
and
It's
obviously
clear
there
that
was,
under your leadership, the Department of Justice
there was
no longer
no
works
question
for
in
American
there.
people. It works
For her to
for Donald
respond to.
Trump. I yield back.
the gentleman yields back.
May I answer?
I think our next questioner, Madam Attorney General, is going to give you time to respond to
Thank you, Chairman.
all kinds of things. So we will turn to the gentleman from Texas for 5 minutes.
Ms. Bondi, you go right ahead. I'm over here. The time is yours.
Thank you. First, he brought up the president saying they indicted me twice. They sure did. They tried to impeach him twice. And you, Mr. Nadler, were one of the leads on the impeachment. I was on the other side. I lived that with you. During impeachment, you said the president conspired, sought foreign interference in the 2016 election. Robert Mueller found no evidence, none, of foreign interference in 2016. Have you apologized to President Trump? Have you apologized to President Trump, all of you who participated in those impeachment hearings against Donald Trump? You all should be apologizing. You sit here and you attack the president, and I am not going to have it. I'm not going to put up with it. You know, all they want to do, the American people need to know this. They are talking about Epstein today. This has been around since the Obama administration. This administration released over 3 million pages of documents, over 3 million, and Donald Trump signed that law to release all of those documents. He is the most transparent president in the nation's history. And none of them asked Merrick Garland over the last 4 years one word about Jeffrey Epstein. How ironic is that? You know,
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.